Hi there, I'm Charlene Costanzo, author of the 12 Gifts collection of books, which are all about the gifts and talents, the strength, beauty, courage, compassion, hope, joy, wisdom, all the good things that are inside every one of us, every human being. On the inside, no one is greater or lesser than another. Wouldn't it be great if we all recognized that and remembered it? But instead, there are people just fostering and feeding hate. But I'm making this because I want to say it's so tempting, but let's not hate the haters. If anything, let's go out and really foster friendliness and kindness, compassion, courtesy. Let's spread more of that, grow that. And so I had an idea today when I was feeling bewildered, depressed, angry, many uncomfortable emotions about the hate. I played one of my favorite old songs from Peter, Paul, and Mary, "Light One Candle." And as I close, I want to read a verse from that and suggest that perhaps light a candle every day. I started that tonight. I have it one on my front porch, and I'm just going to keep one candle lit in my house and one on the outside every night to remind us to, let's not let the light go out. But here's that verse. Light one candle for the strength that we need to never become our own foe. And light one candle for all those who are suffering pain we learned so long ago. Light one candle for all we believe in, that anger not tear us apart. And light one candle to find us together with peace as the song in our heart. Peace and love to you all. Just let's see the good in one another and show that to one another. Take care. Bye-bye.